Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's class will be a short one, a summer practice for mobility, but the special thing is that we will not use our feet. So if you have injuries in your feet, this class is for you, but otherwise, this class it's interesting also if you have pretty regular feet. And we can start right away. So let's start into hands and knees. So as you will see, all of the poses we will do will not engage actively the feet. And from here, let's simply start to swing right and left with your hips, and then forward and back. From here, let's start some cat-cows. So inhale, round the spine. Exhale, belly towards the floor. In and exhale, you run rhythm. Good, and then back to center. So from here, extend the left leg behind you and the right arm in front of you. Switch sides. And of course, engage your core while you're doing this exercise. Make sure you create a straight line from your hands to your feet. Of course, we're not engaging the feet here. It's really a core exercise, core transition. And then back to center. Bring your right hand just behind your head. Exhale, right elbow to your left hand. Inhale, open up. Switch sides. And then back to center. Great. So from here we'll simply bring our knees stacked on top of each other. You can place your forearm, your left forearm in this case, to the floor. And from here we open up our right leg in this dynamic movement. And then to create more mobility, we can also place the right hand to the floor and creating big circles with our right leg. Working on our hip mobility. Good. Now we can switch sides. Then again, circles as we did earlier. Great. Come back to center, come back to seated, and from here, open up your arm towards the sky, towards the left, then the opposite. And then we'll make this even more dynamic, expanding the movement not only to the sides, but to our entire circumference in front of us. So we'll scoop the right arm in front of us, open with the left, and then we will switch sides. So the other way around. Really exploring the entire range of motion with our hips, with our shoulders, through this dynamic movement. Of course, you can place a breath on it. Inhale and exhale. And then come back to seated. Great. Now let's bring both feet and legs in front of us. You can bring one foot and place it inside of the left thigh, in this case. Bring both hands in front of you, and you can simply stay here, or exhaling, you can bow forward. Fold forward as much as you can, and of course this shouldn't hurt, so if you wish and make it more comfortable, you can also bend the knee a little bit, but this of course will make pressure on your heels, so it really depends on where your foot hurt. Otherwise you can stay like this, and with each breath we dive into the pose a bit more. So we inhale, extending our spine, and exhale, we fold a bit more. And you can also use your hands to walk forward. And you can stay wherever you reach. There is no right or wrong. You can simply stay there and explore the pose, the sensations. And understand if you can even fold a little bit more, perhaps reaching your forearms to the ground. Or if your body allows it, you can bring your hands just behind your foot, and drop your entire front body. Inhale, look forward, bring your right hand to the side. This time you bring the left forearm inside of your left leg and open up to the side your right hand. Nice. And then slowly come back to seated. Bring your right foot outside of the left knee, hug it, and twist towards the right. Exhale, release. And we'll do the other side. So left foot inside of the right thigh. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, slowly fold. Make sure that the fold starts from your hips, and it's not about rounding the spine. If you're rounding, perhaps you might consider to use a prop, a blanket below your glutes, or a blanket below your right knee. Otherwise, feel free to explore the pose through your breath, with each inhale extending and each exhale folding. Inhale, look forward. Bring your right forearm inside of the right leg. Open up the left arm towards the sky. Exhale, slowly release. Good. Now bring the sole of your feet together. You can use props below your knees, like books or blocks. And you can simply sit tall here. Make sure you're sitting on your heels. Make sure you're sitting on your sitting bones. Sorry. Make sure you're sitting on your sitting bones. And then perhaps, as we did earlier, inhale, extend, and exhale, fold. Inhale, come back tall, come back to seated. In a cross-legged seated position, perhaps you can place your hands on top of your knees. And we'll finish the practice with a pranayama. So you can interlace your fingertips behind your head, and we will inhale to the right and exhale to the left. You can follow me along. In, X, in, X, in, X. Inhale, rise up with both arms towards the sky. Interlace your thumbs on top of your head. Inhale through the mouth. 3 inhales through the nose. 1 little slip from the mouth. Hold it here. And then exhale, pop the cork, release. Both hands on top of your knees. Stay with your eyes closed, perceive any sensation, any changes in your mind, in your body. And you can take a 5 minutes meditation here, that's the perfect moment. I really invite you to do so. And I thank you for practicing with me. I really hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you didn't already. You get notified when a new class will come out. and I'll see you soon on the mat. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Namaste. Ciao.